So we're just gonna rip into this thing really quick. We're not gonna take it off, like we're gonna put it back together. I'm almost certain the head's toast, and I'm almost certain the top of the pistons have been contacted. So there's really no point. I'm not gonna rebuild this engine. If the block is still good, I'll give it to somebody that wants it.
Took a chunk of your hammer.
Dude, it did. See, just like that. And then you can see the end of the cam. Right there. I don't know what that's for. Like, there's not a sensor
It's
or
an
anything.
oiler. See the oil you got?
Oh, yeah. God, it's like on there. There we go. Oh, that's why. So, this thing has like 230,000 miles on it.
The caps had wear in them, but there's not too much scoring.
No. Pretty smooth.
I mean, I think the maintenance probably could have been better.
Oh, yeah. What is that? I think these are push rods, right? Mm-hmm. But the cams are on the top, so what are the push rods? Maybe those are just pivoting points? I don't know what that is.
Yeah, because look at that's where this rides on.
Yeah. So
it
maybe that's
go
what...
up and down, it just, yeah.
So that one snapped off. Like you can see that it's clearly gone. That happened with the timing chain failure. And then, like you were just showing, it's oily, slippery, mates. This is completely snapped. Interesting to say the least. Separation, no breathing.
Ooh, wee!
Oh my god. Oh.
We got 4 valves. Well, 5.
Oh my god. I'd say the block is toast. Oh my god. Every single valve almost. On what is that, exhaust?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the exhaust side.
Yeah.
Almost every single valve on the... Dude, that's in there. Like...
It is part of the...
I told you the head was gonna be toast. Wow.
That had to have made cool noises.
She thought it would still run. Oh, dude. Just valves on valves. Oh. Wow. Oh, look, it's not stuck anymore.
Apparently it wasn't.
Hey, it wasn't the chain.
Nope. It was just really good adhesive.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, here, let me look at the bearings. Oh my god, dude. No.
Oh, like sandpaper.
They are, dude. They're very corroded.
Yes.
This one has some pretty good grooves in it.
Change your oil, kids.
Yeah, this is definitely a
Lack of maintenance.
lack of maintenance. And then getting them off will be a lot easier. Do you know what I mean?
See? And... oh, yeah.
Are they gritty?
Oh, man.
Honestly. Oh my god. That's so bad. Just throw these all in that pile of trash. I don't even know if we're going to be able to get the crank out. Oh yeah, we will. Maybe. Here's your rear main seal.
Sweet. It's got a leak.
I don't know what's not leaking on this.
Not too bad.
Some are better than others.
Yeah.
Like that one's not bad, but this one over here, like look at this.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you could probably polish it, but. Whoops! Whoops! Oh. That's piston. That's the front piston. Which is one, right? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes. Yeah, here's your front.
Yeah. So that's one. I don't know. That's a lot of carbon.
Yeah.
So
Well, the valves took it off.
that.
That's a lot of mud.
Hold on. Pretty sure this one has some gnarly dents on it. Look at that. And then look at that. That's a big one right there.
It was like a valve.
It looks exactly like a valve. Ooh, this one has like, it's like the valve came out and turned upside down. Look at,
Oh, yeah.
it's got like a hole in it. The rings seem fine. She'll run. Send her down, send her back.
Wipe its ass and kick it out the door.
That one you can, it's definitely some serious carnage. No. Well, that was fun, to say the least.
God, feel that buildup.
Oh, I can see it.
Yeah.
There's, I don't have to feel it. Let me clean it. So that's as far as the pistons go down. Yeah. I'm gonna go with she's toast. Cause look at this cylinder. Oh, they all have that black.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with she's toast.
Anybody need a boat anchor?
We could turn it into a cool table.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is, oh, stupid bolt. The cool thing is like, this piece is fairly light.
Yeah.
Oops.
Did you even take the oil filter off?
No, I didn't. Should we open it?
Yeah. Let's see what kind of goodies are in there.
All right, look. I can't even. Just spin. Give her like a wiggle around, so we can see exactly how much metal is in some of the spots. Like right here, right here, right here. Look at that. No, don't open it. Just look. Just look at that. That is. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera. That is a shiny oil filter. There's like chunks for days. Dude, if they ever changed their oil filter, they had to notice that the bearings were going out. Because the bearings were definitely going out. For quite some time, I'm guessing.
Whose car was this?
My sister-in-law's. Oh. Anyways, that's what happens when your timing chain fails. As you saw, all the valves broke. This was the Eco 2.2 GM motor. That's exactly how you take it apart. We are not going to put it back together. But thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us, Jim. And we'll see you in the next one.